Unlock the secrets of complex text with Google's new Simplify tool for iOS. Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of technical jargon while reading an article? It can feel like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. But don't worry, Google has just rolled out an exciting new feature in its iOS app that's here to help you navigate those tricky texts with ease. Introducing the Simplify tool, designed to transform dense and confusing web content into clear, everyday language without you having to leave the page. So how does it work? When you're browsing the web using the Google app and stumble upon a paragraph that makes your head spin, simply highlight the text that's giving you trouble. A handy little Simplify button will pop up, just waiting for you to tap it. With a single click, that complicated jargon will be rewritten into something much more understandable, making it accessible to everyone, not just the experts. At the heart of this feature is Google's Gemini AI, which works behind the scenes to rephrase the text into simpler terms. This means you don't have to juggle multiple tabs or copy and paste confusing sentences into other tools like ChatGPT or Gemini every time you hit a linguistic roadblock. It's all about making your online reading experience smoother and more enjoyable. The developers behind Simplify have noted that this AI translation not only makes it easier to grasp complex content, but also helps users retain what they read. It's part of a broader initiative by Google to enhance your online experience, alongside other innovative features like Google Gemini widgets and the upcoming Power Up button, which aims to improve your prompts. While Simplify is tailored for individual use, it's a fantastic addition to the suite of AI tools designed to make your browsing experience more user-friendly. Currently, Simplify is available exclusively for iOS users, and while it's a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it may not always get it right. Like any AI, it can sometimes oversimplify or miss the nuances of the original text. However, many users might find this trade-off worthwhile, especially when faced with convoluted discussions about topics like blockchain governance. So, if you're tired of wading through complex articles and want to make sense of the information out there, give Google's Simplify tool a try. It's a game changer for anyone looking to decode the often overwhelming world of online content.